Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I'm going to show you guys the how to clean my brushes and sponge video. I haven't done this video in a very long time, and I have changed the way I clean my brushes, and I want to share with you guys a very inexpensive way to clean your brushes. I'm telling you guys, it's $1, and all you need is a mat that you can find at TJ Maxx, Walmart, anywhere. I think even the dollar store is starting to sell like little mats to clean your brushes. So I'm going to show you guys everything today, so I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Okay love, so I'm going to show you guys the soap that I love to use, and it was a recommendation from another YouTuber. She is called Juicy Jazz, and she always talked about this soap that was really good to clean her brushes, and I was like kind of like in the fence of buying it, but I was like, I don't know about that. But I went for it, I bought it, and guys, it's only $1. The soap is only $1, and you can find it at Walmart. I will leave a link down below if you guys want to check it out. But the soap is so good, so good. All you have to do is like wipe one time and squeeze your sponge, and all that foundation buildup is just gonna come right off. It is so good. I'm telling you guys need this in your life. And it's the Sote soap. Now I have mine in this thing because of course I have to put it away when I'm done, but I'm going to show you guys a picture right here of the soap. This soap is so good, and it lasts you a very long time. I've been having it for at least 4 months now, and look, I still have this big old soap with me, and I clean my brushes at least. I'm very bad at cleaning my brushes, I'm gonna tell you guys right now, but I try to clean them at least once a week. If I don't, then 2 weeks. I try not to push it because I like to clean my brushes as much as possible, especially my sponges. You want to make sure you take out all that foundation buildup on the sponge, because it just can stink. It could get really bad, and you don't want that on your face, and you can get acne from it and all that stuff. So you definitely don't want that. So I definitely recommend checking out this soap. It's really good for your brushes and your sponges, and it's only $1. Like, you cannot go wrong. Now I do want to recommend a mat for your brushes, because this helps take away all the makeup residue on your brushes. And this mat I got actually at TJ Maxx, and I got this mat a very long time ago. I think I paid like $3, but you can find mats anywhere. Walmart, Target. I even seen one at the Dollar Tree the other day, and it was really small, but you can use it. It's $1. It's like half of this. I think it was very small. I think it was like this big, but you could still use it. Just gonna use it to take away all the makeup from the brushes, and I think for $1 it's not that bad. If I do see one, I'm gonna pick it up and try it for myself and see how good it is, because I mean, this mat is good enough. So you just stick it to the sink and then just put your brushes and clean all that makeup off of your brushes, and it's good. I love it with the soap. It's just such a good combination. I definitely recommend it. I'm going to show you guys how I clean my brushes and my sponges, so let's go ahead and jump into the video.